saying, mother-daughter duo. How many is that? That would be an odd down there. This would be an even number here. There's 6 of them we had. Nice deep squats, perfect form, you guys. Just make me look good. You guys make you look good. Perfect looking push-ups, you guys. I love it. Okay. 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 You're good. Oh, phone's probably making a phone call.